Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to get all answers to your how to questions. Today we are going to see that how to add the video clips in our design. Means यहाँ पर कोई भी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट वगैरह डिज़ाइन करते हैं या फिर कोई किसी होर डिज़ाइन या ब्लॉग ਲਈ डिज़ाइन करते हैं तो ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਵੇ ਹਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਟੈਕਸਟ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਹਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਟੈਕਸਟ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਮੀਨਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਿੱਧੀ in today's world it is very engaging means हर कोई चाहता कि वीडियो थ्रू कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया जाए कुछ दिखाया जाए so today we will see that okay we will design insert a video clips in a design and adding the text in Canva. Okay, so let's get started. For that you have to open the Canva. I have already opened, so I will be creating here, going and typing custom size. Okay, custom size 1080. Okay, this is a custom design for the social media post. Okay, for that here you have to add the video clips. Okay, for that you will be searching this audio video feature. Okay, below the text there will be a video feature. If you are not able to find, then click on the more. Here you will be finding the videos. Okay, let me, I have already selected, so it is not showing here, otherwise you will be finding in these options. Okay, I will be clicking videos. You will get copyright videos, means free copyright videos from here. Okay, you can choose any of this video. Okay, for your, I will be choosing like I have to make the post on exercise. Okay, exercise. I have to make the post on top 5 tips to lose the weight. Okay, for that I will be choosing these clips. Let me see which video will be the best for me. Let me see. Let me search for fitness. Okay, I can get some better. Let me choose. Yeah, I will be choosing this one. Okay, I have to choose, I have to just click, then it will be appear here. Okay, I will be decreasing or increasing the size of the video like this. Okay, I will be pasting over here. Okay, I can crop this. Okay, I can pick any of the frame from this video. For example, just click here and this cut button showing this one. I will be picking one frame from this. Okay, like I have to pick just from up to this one. Okay, see, I will click. Yeah, now I have to add the text. Okay, for that I will be clicking here and typing the text, that is top 5 tips for weight loss. Okay, now I have to change the color of this. Then from here I will be clicking this and text color I will be giving red. Okay, so red. Yeah, I will be dragging and drop here. For this I will be, see, I have created the front page of the post. Okay, if you want to add the full video, means a full post video, then you can also, for example, I have to delete and this duplicate page. Okay, I can do that also. Cut, I will be enhancing this, setting somewhat like this one. Okay, see, I have to drag somewhat over. Okay, now I have to add the text over the picture. Okay, for that I have to take one stripped. Okay, just take the strip, otherwise the text will be not visible. Okay, stripped, I will be choosing this one. Okay, stripped here, so that my text will be visible to all. This one, see this. Okay, now I will be copying the text from here. See, Control C, and just here I have to add the heading, and here control C. It's not copied. To copy, and here I have to paste. Okay, this. Now I have to drag and drag to decrease the size or font. Okay, I will be choosing like this. So now from this I will be choosing, and here you will be seeing that is a very looking odd one है ना कि चल रहा है. It will, I can decrease the transparency of this text box. See this one like this, so that it can be visible and it can not be looking odd there. So for decreasing the transparency, you will just click the this strip and here transparency. Okay, now just drag and drop here and change the color from this. That's it, we have created. Okay, we have, now we can download this. Okay, as an png mp4. Okay, that's png is for images. Okay, for that I will be choosing this and suggested mp4 video. I have to, if I want this separate video, this one post separate, this separate, if I want to, then I will be choosing this and selecting that page one. Okay, otherwise I will be combining this. Okay, just combine, it will be combine all two videos. Okay, from like this I will be choosing. See, ਲਾਈਕ ਦਿਸ. ਓਕੇ, ਇਫ ਯੂ ਵਾਂਟ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਗਾ, ਇਹ ਅਲੱਗ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਗਾ, 2 ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਇਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੀ, ਦੈਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ. ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ. ਨਾਓ we will getting one. Okay, I will be showing this also after this. Now I will be showing this. Okay, let this download first, then I will be showing how this video looking. These are copyright free. Okay, there is no copyright on these videos. These are free to use or create our creativities and creatives for the social media post, blog, anything else you want to create from this. So let's stop. Let's see what we have created. See my video I have created. You can also create your creativity, use your creativity and create. This is an HD video, full HD. Okay, now this one, that in this only one page is this. Okay, like this. See, hope you have got how to add the videos using the video features of the Canva, and how to add text and how to add this text over the image. Okay, video, sorry. So thank you so much listening me and watching. So जाते like, share and comment करना ना भूलियो, and please how to questions post कर दीजिए so that we can create a good stuff for you like this. Okay, thank you so much for listening me.